This is a 2008 Audi Q7. It features a 4.2-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, advanced key, voice recognition, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a locking differential, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: a heated multifunction steering wheel, front and rear heated seats, satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, heated washer fluid, alloy wheels, roof rails, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, and this vehicle has fewer than 63,000 miles on the odometer. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
At Sewell, our obsession with service extends to all of our customers, including pre-owned. Buying a pre-owned from Sewell means complimentary loan cars and washes for the life of your vehicle come standard. Let us show you what over a century of inspired service has taught us.